Okay, it's going to be short. It's not going to be a long video. Doing order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, but we're going to leave the exponents out of it. You won't come across that. So we got 7 plus 8 minus 6. No parentheses. There's no multiply and divide. Adding, subtracting left to right. 15 minus 6 is 9. Next problem, 57 plus 18 minus 14. Parentheses, no. Multiply, divide, nope. Adding, subtracting, yeah. 57 plus 18 is 75, minus 14, 61. Next one, 26 plus 16 divided by 4. So you have plus, you have division. Division comes before addition, so you have to divide first. It's 4, 26 plus 4 is 30. Really a pretty easy lesson. 72 plus 40 divided by 8. Now you're going to make a parentheses. When you have a ratio, fraction, whatever you want to call it, and you have an operation on either the top or the bottom, that goes in parentheses because it needs to be done first. 72 plus 40 is 112. Then you can divide 112 by 8. 14. Okay, next one, 25 minus 13 plus 4 over 2. When you have a ratio and you have operations on either the top or bottom, that goes in parentheses. So, minus and plus, you just do those at the same time. 25 minus straight through. When it's adding, subtract, that's why they're together. Okay, same with multiplication, division. When that's all you have, you can just do it straight through. 12 plus 4 is 16, divided by 2 is 8. Okay. 11 times 8 minus 5 plus 9 times 2 plus 7. We roll with the parentheses first. 8, 3, and 9. Okay. Now, I'm not going to just baby feed this where I show everything. You kind of just have to be a little quicker than that on the draw. Okay, now multiplying, divide. Well, yeah, we take 11 times 3 and 9 times 9. So 11 times 3 is 33, and 9 times 9 is 81. 33 plus 81 is my answer. Okay, what am I using a calculator for? It's going to be 114. See how much of this I can do without a calculator. 3 times 29 minus 6 over 23. But when I do an x, it's not a variable, it's a times. We're not two variables yet. Okay, print now. You need to parenthesize that. Parentheses. Well, you got two of them. You simplify the inner parentheses first, then the outer. 3 times 23 is 69. Then we have 69 divided by 23. All right, next one, 253 minus 17 times 3, 85 plus 52 minus 36. Okay, so you better get a parentheses on the top and the bottom when that happens. Parentheses, yep, you got a couple of them. Now you have minus and times in here. What comes first? Multiplication comes before subtraction. So 17 times 3 is 51, then 253 minus 51 is 202. Here we have plus and minus, those are together, so they just go straight through. Again, first, second, third, there's no exponents, okay? Here you can just go straight through, it doesn't matter the operation, well, it matters, you just go in order. That's 101. 202 divided by 101 is 2. Okay, next one. 8 times 12 plus 60 divided by 9 plus 3. parentheses, 12 plus 60 is 72, 9 plus 3 is 12. What? No E. Multiply, divide, well you have both of them, times, divide. Then, since those are on the same step, you do what comes first, okay? So we times first, then we divide. 48. Just do them in order. Now, if division came before the multiplying, I would divide first, okay? Flip them. Division doesn't come before multiplication automatically, okay? Okay, next one, 81 divided by 9 plus 14 times 5. Parentheses, you get division plus. Division comes before addition. 81 divided by 9 is 9. And then 9 plus 14 is 23 times 5. That's 115. Okay, next one. 41 plus 3 times 7 minus 6. No parentheses. Multiplication, division, yeah, we have the 3 times the 7, 21. So 41 plus 21 minus 6. AS, you don't do A before S, you do what comes first, but this time plus does. So 41 plus 21, 62, minus 6 is 56. Okay, next one, we have 15 times 6 divided by 3 times 5. Obviously, we do the parentheses first. It's 90, 15. 90 divided by 15 is 6. Okay, 10 times, again, you got to get parentheses on this problem. You do multiplication comes before addition, okay? 10 times 7 is 70, 14 plus 70 is 84, 4 plus 2 is 6. 84 divided by 6 is 14. 30 times, parentheses, 10 times 4 minus 40. Divided by 18 minus 7. 18 minus 7 is 11. You got to do the parentheses, times and minus. Multiplication comes before subtraction. So it's going to be 40 minus 40 is 0. Okay. So you're going to leave, no, you put 0. 30 times 0 divided by 11. Okay. Then we have times and divide. Well, they come on the same step, so we times first 0, and 0 divided by any number is 0. There's the answer. Okay, 86 plus 27 plus 8 minus 5 over 6 minus 31. You better get parentheses there. Okay, in the parentheses you have addition and subtraction. Those are the same step, so 35 minus 5 is 30. Okay, so you have 86 plus 30 divided by 6 minus 31. So we have addition, division, and minus. Well, division comes next. That's 5. So 86 plus 5 minus 31. 91 minus 31 then is 60. Okay, 16 plus 6 times 21 over 157 minus 12 times 13. Then minus 10 plus 3 minus 7 over 46 minus 4 times 10. So we need to make parentheses on above with all these ratios. So plus and times. Well, times comes before plus. Holds a greater value. That's 126. And then 16 plus 126 is 142. Now over here you have minus and times. Times comes first, so that's 156. That's 1. Okay, plus and minus is the same step. So you just go 13 minus some 7, that's going to be 6. Minus and times. Times comes before minus, that's 40. 46 minus 46. Okay, now you have division and subtraction. Division comes first. That's 142. It's 1. 142 minus 1 is 141. Okay. Okay, now you have some algebra expressions. You just got to plug numbers in. It's not hard. You're always going to be solving for the dependent variable, which makes it easy. Okay. F equals 9 times C divided by 5 plus 32. You put 30 in for C. 9 times 30, 5 plus 32. Get a parentheses on top. 9 times 30 is 270. So we have division and plus. Division takes the precedent. 270 divided by 5 is, I believe, 270 divided by 5, 14. Is it 44? We'll see. Darn, 54. Okay. Plus, sorry, I have to keep myself entertained from time to time. 86. Okay. F equals 86. Okay, R capital T equals R1 plus then a ratio R2 times R3, R2 plus R3. Okay, R1's 80. R2 is 40 times 60. And then bottom, you got 40 plus 60. Okay, you got parentheses. 40 times 60 is 2,400. 40 plus 60 is 100. Then we have addition and division. The division has to be executed first. 2,400 divided by 100 is 24. $80 plus 24 then is 104. Okay, next expression, D is equal to C times C plus 4 times H over 4 times H. Okay, so capital C is 20 times 20 plus 4, lowercase h is 5, so times 5 times 5. On bottom you have 4 times 5. Get the parentheses around. Okay, now in the parentheses you have times, plus, times, times. You have to do the times first, okay? So you got to do 20 times 20. Plus is, remember, because multiplying always comes before the plus. So that's 400. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 5 is 100. And then 400 plus 100 is 500. Bottom, 4 times 5 is 20. And 500 divided by 20 is 25. So D equals 25. Okay, and then the next one, it's like this, but it's turned around. Now you're doing Celsius equals 5 times parentheses F minus 32 over 9. F in this problem is 89. Parenthesize the top, so you simplify the inner. That gives me 57. So we still got 5 times 57. 285 divided by 9. Okay, not a fan of that. Do second PRB equals 31 2/3. Boom.